you guys are having a wonderful day, making some really good trades as per usual. Let's dive into some analysis here. So Bitcoin getting a very nice move higher up to 124 and $200, making a new all-time high in Bitcoin, continuing either this X here or the wave 2 is in, and we're already starting to impulse out, which we can easily make a 5-wave swing, right? We can easily make a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. And if anything, the pullback should come back around to like 118, right? Because usually when we pull back in the fifth wave, you come back and you lose the fifth. You could also be in this Y wave, which would be a very bearish scenario. I mean, this would have to crash like what? This thing would have to take a dump of like $12,000 to $14,000, which I don't really see happening right now, to be honest. If anything, I think that we're just going to continue higher, right? We're going to go with the trend unless something happens in the traditional markets. You don't really see anything derailing Bitcoin, and that's why I was warning ahead of time, right? We're up a tremendous amount now inside the Discord, right? You can see we're up 51% on our long, and I told many people that if the bearish scenario doesn't play out, that's fine because we're not looking to short. We're not shorting. We're looking to long and add to the longs, right? I was hoping 111 was going to come, but it didn't. We got 111 and $800, so I guess this is close enough. We got front run a little bit, but if in the case that this does still dump down, this is a huge buying opportunity. Like you cannot miss out on it. But given how the price action is right now on the daily time frame, market cipher, 12-hour, 4-hour, all looking very bullish. So I don't really see this scenario happening anymore, but I'll just leave the dip buy area here just in case it does do that. And I'm going to focus more on the bullish scenario, which is an impulse here, another 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5, and we continue impulsing out. And that's what you really want to look for, right? Dip buy opportunities. And this, we're looking for this big dip buy opportunity here, but really what I did do is already start long positions ahead of time. So I didn't wait for this dip buy. I started longs ahead of time, and it looks like that was the right call because we're up a nice big chunk on our portfolio now. And while everyone else is still winning or trying to short or doing all these crazy things, shorting in the bull market, we're just going with the trend and letting the trend and the market take us higher. You can see here AVAX and a lot of these altcoins are going to start running in the later half of the year, but it may take some time, but that's it. We just got to be patient. And in terms of wave edge, don't really see anything bearish right now. All right, weekly looks good, 4-day, 2-day, daily. Nothing looks bad. 12-hour time frame. We actually had a buy signal all the way down here, and look where we're at now. You want to take these opportunities, that you see when these green crosses and these dip buys come. These are signals to long, to get long the market. And if you can't get long, then you're too scared. That's fine. You're just not going to make money. Right? The trading is not for you if you're too scared. The whole idea about trading is just taking the opportunities when they're in front of you. Right now we're in an uptrend. You want to take these green crosses, the dip buys, the dip buy areas as long opportunities, right? And again, doesn't mean that you have to wait and wait and wait, right? You can long when I long, right? Sometimes I don't wait exactly for the areas. Sometimes I have to start a position because there's no guarantee that my areas are going to get hit. And it's just an area to point out if it does go there, this is where we should see some sort of reaction and buyers start to step in and push this market back up. Anyways, that's it for today. Hopefully this helps you guys kind of understand our strategy. And if you do want to get access to my trades, the link's in the description. And that's it. Peace.